Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing the Jade Collection from Wonton and a Million that launched in early August. These first few sticker sheets were some freebies that I picked out from pre-selected offerings. I even received a variety package of bonus freebies. Now we're moving on to the Jade Collection bundle. It comes in two different variations, so you get a choice between the weekly vertical kit or the journaling kit. The one I ordered is the journaling kit. This Jade Collection is actually an extension of the Jade planner cover that Cynthia originally designed for Erin Condren. There are 3 beautiful washi included as a part of this bundle. This one is a die cut washi. Next in the collection, we have some blank note cards featuring various STEAM team members. The note cards have a velvety, soft, matte finish to the touch. Included are matching gold envelopes. As a part of the bundle, you also get a vinyl sticker, a regular sticker sheet, and 2 washi deco sheets. For the journaling kit, you get 3 washi sheets, 1 with full boxes, 1 with headers, and 1 with date covers. This bundle also included some matching non-stationary items like a headband and a small card zip wallet. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Wonton and a Million Jade Collection bundle. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you want to see more videos like this one. If you want to keep seeing my videos, be sure to also subscribe and click on that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Until next time, goodbye.